Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a restriction or restricted account on Clash of Clans. So now how to fix or how to solve a restricted account on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Clash of Clans. Here we'll enter to force stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage and you can click here. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.